You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell Monday after mixed data lower expectation of the Fed would taper asset purchases at the next policy meeting on Wednesday. The greenback ended at 1.3760 to the euro and 103.03 to the yen. Today's data includes November CPI, which is expected to rise 1.3% year-on-year from 1.0% previously. Next, to the euro. The euro rose on Monday after composite and manufacturing PMIs for November beat expectations, improving the outlook for the region and lessening the possibility the ECB will reduce rates further. The single currency ended at 1.3760 to the dollar and 141.81 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone CPI, which is expected to rise by 0.9% as previously, and the German Geo Sentiment Survey, which is also expected to rise in December. British pound. The pound traded mixed on Monday after a lack of data, and the proximity of the FOMC meeting led to a fall in trading interest. Sterling ended at 1.6298 to the dollar and 0.8444 to the euro. Today's data includes CPI in November, which is expected to rise 2.2% as previously. Japanese yen. The yen traded little change on Monday after early gains made from better than expected results in the Tenkan survey were offset by a rise in risk appetite which reduced safe haven demand. The yen ended the day 103.03 to the dollar and 167.97 to the pound. Today's data includes the November trade balance, which is expected to see the deficit deepen to negative 1.3 billion from negative 1.09 billion previously. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions at 1.3735 with targets at 1.3805 and 1.383 in extension. The downside breakout at 1.3735, which will open the way to 1.371 and 1.3675. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions at 1.6295 with targets at 1.6336 and 1.6385 in extension. The downside breakout at 1.6228, which will open the way to 1.6255 and 1.6223. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position at 102.6 with targets at 103.15 and 103.4 in extension. The downside breakout at 102.6, which will open the way to 102.4 and 102.15. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.